Hi, I'm Dr. Jamie Wong, physical therapist, here to chat today about your ergonomics of your workstation. First step is to adjust your seat height so it's in a comfortable position. I've talked about seat height in a previous video. Essentially, you want to make sure that you're not so low that you're slumped back, and you're not so high up that you're getting pinchy in your hips, but you can rock forward and backwards equally and feel like you can balance and relax here on your pelvic floor, just in front of your sit bones. All right, so seat height is number one. Next is to be able to find your desk height for typing. Essentially, you would like it so your desk height is not so high that you're bent more than 90 degrees, in which you'll end up with shrugging your shoulders up toward your ears likely. You want to find it so you're at 90 or a little bit lower. And so this desk height is optimal for me because I can relax my shoulders here. And then finally, you want to make sure that you adjust your monitor height so that you are looking at about the top, your eye level is about at the top third of your monitor screen here. I'm using an iPad here, so it's different proportions than like an actual computer monitor screen. But notice how I can comfortably look at the top third of my screen and look forward, maybe a little down would be fine. You want to make sure that your monitor is not so high up that you're craning your neck up. That's not going to be comfortable. And you want to make sure that your monitor is not so low down that you are looking your head down as well. I understand that we live in the age of laptops, so you might not have a separate monitor and keyboard. So it's just that you may angle your keyboard up a little bit so that you can comfortably keep your eyes just like a little bit down, but not so far down. So it's more of like gentle nodding of your head and your eye level. Or find those old yellow books, dictionary, encyclopedias, those things that people don't use anymore. Prop your separate monitor up and just invest in a separate keyboard and monitor so you can have really good health of your body as you're sitting and working. All right, to recap, we found the height of our seat, height of our typing surface, and then our monitor. If they're connected, then just tilt your monitor back a little bit so you can just do a gentle nodding motion. All right, I hope this was helpful. Bye.